Hello guys, welcome back. So here we have another question on network theory from GATE EC 2015. In the given circuit, the values of V1 and V2 respectively are. So they have a 5 ampere current source, 4 ohm resistors, another two 4 ohm resistors, and there is a current controlled current source. So I is flowing in this branch. So in this branch, it should be 2I. And V1, V2 we need to find our the voltage across this control source and the independent current source. Okay, so let us solve it. So one thing to observe here is, if you notice this 4 ohm taking I and this guy taking 2I, they are having same voltage V1 across it because they are in parallel, right? So same voltage. And other thing, if this takes I, this is taking 2I, which means that the impedance of this should be half of this, right? So impedance of 2I should be half of I, half of the one taking I. So I can as well replace this with a 2 ohm resistor. Yes, that's simple. So let me do that. So I'll replace this with 2 ohm. Now let us see. Now this is gonna be 2 ohm and 2 ohm in parallel with 2 ohm is equal to 1 ohm. Equivalently this is 1 ohm. So we have 5 ampere, 4 ohm, 1 ohm, and this is V2, and since they are in parallel, this is still gonna remain as V1. So what is V1 now? It is 5 ampere into 1 ohm. V1 is equal to 5 volts. And next thing, V2 is equal to 4 ohm into 4 ohm plus 1 ohm, 5 ohm into 5 ampere. So 5 ampere into 4 ohm plus 1 ohm, which is equal to 5 into 5, which is equal to 25 volts. So my answer is 5 volt and 25 volts. So which is option A. And again in this question also, it is only enough to find just one of them. If you see, because all the options have different values for each of V1 and V2. So even if you find one of them and directly come to the option, you can tick it. And other thing, if you couldn't replace this, if you couldn't identify this pattern, what you will do? You will find I. I is nothing but V1 by 4. So what is 2I then? It is V1 by 2. So effectively you are coming back to the 2 ohm resistance only. So irrespective of you whether keep it or try to change it and then do, nothing is going to change. It only simplifies your intuitive thinking and quickly arriving at the answer. Okay.